I have arrived. I am here. I am now. I was looking for distance and found proximity to nature, to myself. My vision is clear and sharply focused on what really counts. In these moments, I rely entirely on myself and my equipment. I am prepared. I give my all to reach my target. I sharpen my senses. I further them. My instincts turn to certainty. I come closer to my target, step by step. Breath by breath. Until the moment I take my decision. Confident and reliable from all distances.
The engineers at Leupold continue to push the bounds in range-finding technology, and the Leupold RX1200i is no exception. With a third-generation range-finding engine and true ballistic range technology for accurate uphill-downhill shooting, the RX1200i delivers fast, pinpoint accuracy for any shooting situation, be it with rifle or a bow. The RX1200i is lightweight and compact, but still provides an unparalleled level of customization and features. The 6x magnification power viewfinder provides nearly 90% light transmission, making it easy to acquire targets in low-light situations, and the illuminated red display readout provides perfect contrast when ranging targets against dark backgrounds. For archers, the RX1200i's digitally enhanced accuracy, or DNA engine, eliminates the 3 or 4 yard difference frequently seen in most rangefinders between light and dark targets, displaying ranges to the 1/10th yard. Common distances to non-reflective targets like trees are 800 yards, while reflective targets can be accurately ranged out to 1,200 yards. Users can scan moving targets effortlessly and dependably by simply holding down the power button and following moving objects within the viewfinder. TBR, or True Ballistic Ranging, will give you the exact equivalent horizontal shooting distance to your target for your rifle or bow, so you can accurately make any shot, regardless of the angle of the shot. For rifle users, scope elevation adjustments or target holdover information can be displayed in minute of angle, milliradians, or inches, customized to their rifle.
This is the Impact Rangefinder. Providing reliable distance readings when you need it most, the Impact features a non-illuminated display and highly intuitive menu in a compact and lightweight package. Added magnification brings targets in for a closer look and more accurate ranging. The primary HCD mode displays an angle-compensated distance that is ideal for the majority of hunters and shooters. An advanced LOS mode provides you with an option to calculate long-distance, high-angle shots with increased precision. A scan feature gives continuous range readings as you pan across the landscape or track a moving target. All modes can be set to read in yards or meters. The Impact runs on a common CR2 battery, and a battery life indicator is always visible in the display. Fully multi-coated optics enhance light transmission in low light settings. Waterproof and shockproof performance keeps you in the hunt no matter the conditions. The budget-friendly Impact rangefinder will put the odds of on-target arrow and bullet impacts in your favor, and it's covered for life by the Vortex VIP warranty.
We're all faced with challenges while hunting that make getting a fast, accurate range on an animal difficult, if not near impossible. A blowing tree stand, shivering cold, or just the excitement of the moment are the nemesis of hunting rangefinders. Until now. Introducing MONARCH 7i VR and Aero ID 7000 VR, the first optical vibration reduction rangefinders ever. What makes these new rangefinders stand apart from any other hunting rangefinder is Nikon's VR vibration reduction system, engineered to reduce optical vibrations by nearly 80%. And not only does it stabilize the viewed image, but simultaneously aligns it with the activated laser beam. The result is a rock-solid view of your target, together with faster, more precise ranging. And while Nikon's MONARCH 7i VR and Aero ID 7000 VR are packed with the world's most advanced rangefinder technologies, each is incredibly simple to use. The quality 6-power optics allows easy target acquisition, and with a push of a button, you've just made the world stand still for a fast, precise distance measure.
Introducing the groundbreaking new Leica Rangemaster CRF 2700B, the most powerful laser rangefinder in its class available today. Together with an industry-leading ranging capability to 2,700 yards, the CRF 2700B provides advanced ballistic solutions by measuring air pressure, temperature, angle, and for the first time ever, specific programmability of a ballistic profile via micro SD card. The CRF 2700B provides precise ballistic calculations outputted as equivalent horizontal range to 1,200 yards, holdover or ballistic corrections as click values in minutes or mils to 1,000 yards. The improved high-performance LED display features new symbols offering a better immediate understanding of the settings and provides distance measurements in 0.3 seconds. While the new, faster scan mode refreshes every half second. Further, the CRF 2700B's new 1.2 by half mil beam divergence makes it more than twice as precise as its closest competitor. For ranges under 200 yards, the Leica CRF 2700B outputs range information in decimals, as well as a new archery mode, which provides bow hunters with an equivalent horizontal range in decimals from 10 to 100 yards. In addition to these state-of-the-art upgrades, the CRF 2700B stays compact enough to fit in a shirt pocket, lightweight at just 7 ounces, and waterproof to 1 meter. The Leica Rangemaster 2700B Laser Rangefinder, setting the industry standard in accuracy and functionality.